हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी नेशन। माय नेम इज दिनेश सिंह। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि वी हैव स्टार्टेड अ सीरीज लर्न द कंसेप्ट विद द PYQ। इसी सीरीज में आई एम कमिंग विद सम मोर क्वेश्चन ऑफ NDA 1 2024। ओके, सो दीज वर द क्वेश्चन विच हैज ऑलरेडी कम। तो आप इनको देखिए, आप ट्राई टू सॉल्व दीज एंड देन जस्ट चेक the solution which I am providing you. Okay, and everyone, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. Do join the Telegram group as well as the WhatsApp group. Okay, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 NDA 1 2024 और एक the concept is what? Permutation and combination. Okay, so let's see. The question says, just read out the question everyone. The question says a triangle PQR is such that 3 points lie on the side of PQ, 4 points on the QR, 5 points on the RP respectively. Triangle are constructed using these points as vertices. What is the number of triangles so formed? एक त्रिभुज PQR इस प्रकार है कि क्रमशः 3 बिंदु PQ भुजा पर स्थित है, 4 बिंदु QR भुजा पर स्थित है और 5 बिंदु RP भुजा पर स्थित है। इन बिंदुओं के शीर्ष की तरह प्रयोग करके, इन बिंदुओं को शीर्ष की तरह प्रयोग करके त्रिभुज बनाए जाते। इस प्रकार बने त्रिभुजों की संख्या कितनी होगी? ओके, नाउ एवरीवन, नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू अ बेसिक कंसेप्ट. सपोज इफ somebody ask you, okay, how many triangle can you make? Okay, now the basic idea is whenever we are making a triangle, so there would be what? 3 points. If you take 3 points, you can make a triangle. Okay, now the first important thing is what? They must be non-collinear. अगर आपके पास collinear means in the single line. So suppose there is a collinear. So if I am saying, suppose these are the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if they are collinear, you cannot make a line, or sorry, you cannot make a triangle using these. Okay, so simple funda. If somebody asks you, you want to make a triangle, okay, how many triangle are possible? So suppose if there are n points are given, so if n points are given, we can say the number of triangle would be what? If n points are given, the number of triangle would be what? NC3. Now suppose they are giving you the point, they are collinear. Okay, so suppose if the points are collinear, now you have to remove these triangle because you cannot make. तो अगर आपके पास collinear है तो you have to remove. So suppose there are k points are collinear. So what you have to do? Minus. So इससे कितने triangle बनेंगे? इतने. So that would be your answer. Okay, so simple funda is what? Try to make all possible triangle and remove the triangle which is made by the collinear point. Okay, so let's see using that concept. So now what they are saying, a triangle PQR. So suppose if I will take a triangle, okay, so now, so suppose this is a P, this is a Q, this is a R. Okay, now, so what they are saying, there are 3 points lie on the PQ. So suppose there are 3 points. Now there are 5 points on the RP. Okay, 5 points. Now there are 4 points on QR. So how many points are there? 5, 4, 9, 3, 12. So how many triangle can we make? We can make 12. C3. Now minus, because using these 3 we cannot make any. So I will say 3C3 minus 5C3 minus 4C3. Now what is a 12C3? 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3C3 is 1. 5C3 is what? 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1 minus 4c3 is what? 4. Okay, so if you see this one, this would be what? 2 into, so 220 minus, it would be what? 10, 4, 14 and 1, 15. So 220 minus 15. So the exact number would be 205. So A would be the complete answer. So remember everyone, what is the concept we have understand? So whenever they are saying number of triangles, so if there are n point, they must be non-collinear. Okay, so what is the total number of triangle can we make? We can make NC3 is the number of triangle we can make, and remove the point which are collinear. So they are collinear K. So suppose somebody says P are also collinear, P points are also collinear. So remove PC3 also. Suppose Q points are also collinear, so minus QC3. This is the way you can calculate. Clear? So I hope you understand the concept. So please do subscribe the channel. This is my Telegram ID. So if you have any query regarding the NDA or the 11th, 12th mathematics, you can message me. This is the personal ID, and this is my group QR code. So you can scan this QR code and you can join my Telegram group as well as the WhatsApp group. So do share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much everyone. See you in the next class. Bye. Take care.